everybody, this is Olivia from the Alexandrienne channel, and this is a preview of the Easy Watercolor Flowers tutorial that I have available on Patreon, which is the extended version of the Easy Watercolor Flowers that you will find here on YouTube. I will put the link below in the description box where you can find my page on Patreon. Okay, so to quickly tell you a little bit about the video, I go into quite a bit of detail about various topics to consider while creating your image. One is the types of paper to consider and different perspectives of the flowers, say a 3/4 view, how to make a different kind of leaf that I think is absolutely gorgeous, and how to create this type of an image as a greeting card, the different papers, etc. And there's just other pieces of advice, my experiences, that sort of thing. So I really hope that you'll consider coming over to Patreon and watching my extended versions of the projects that I post here on YouTube. Thanks so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Much love, Olivia.